Hi, Lehigh. My name is Morgan. I'm the Learning and Study Skills Assistant at the Center for Academic Success, and I'm just going to walk you through how to sign up for a Learning and Study Skills appointment with me. So here I am at the Center for Academic Success website, and you can see there's lots of options for tutoring, sign up, to apply to be a peer tutor, and then study skills assistance and workshops. That's where we're going to go to sign up for a study skills appointment. Here you can see a little bit of information about what study skills appointments are like and what workshops for student groups are like. You can sign up for both up here. This time we're going to request an individual appointment by pressing this button. Now this is a request form. Basically, you fill out all of this demographic information, give me as much as you can, sign up for a couple of reasons for your request. 2 or 3 is best, and then fill in these boxes with as much information as you'd like to share, just to give me an idea of what you'd like to work on in our session when we schedule. At the end, you can request how many 30-minute sessions you're interested in. This doesn't mean a commitment. You can just go to the first one and decide whether you might want to have another. And then how did you hear about the center? We'd just like to know so that we can make sure that we're advertising in the right places. At the end, after you've filled everything out, click submit, and I will get an email with all of this information. We'll respond to you, and then I'll send you a link to schedule an appointment. Hopefully see you in for a learning and study skills appointment. Thanks.